Hey guys, I want to quickly show you how to save your um, Photoshop document as a PDF because what's required in Blackboard is the PDF and the Photoshop document. Okay, if you want to add additional files, that would mean you're doing 3 or more, then you can add a JPEG or you can add a PNG. But what is required is that Photoshop document and a PDF. All right, so the way that you do it is you would just go up to File, same ways we've been doing before. Hit Save As, and then this time you're going to choose Save on your computer. And then when you hit Save on your computer, where you see Format, you can choose PDF. Oops, wrong one. You can choose PDF, and then when you choose the PDF, go ahead and save it wherever you're going to save it. I'm going to hit Save. And then, okay, and just hit okay. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get the Save As PDF dialog box. All of the settings that are there should be fine. Just choose Save PDF and just hit yes. And so the PDF has saved. All right, so when it says saving 99%, and then you'll go to where it has saved and you'll click on the PDF and it'll be there for you. So make sure you know how to save it as a PDF because that's pretty important. So you guys should be set. All right, so this was a quick video just to show you how to save it as a PDF. I look forward to seeing you guys' projects. All right, ta-ta for now. Next, Illustrator. Ooh.